I'm a big proponent of storytelling. And when you have a brand, that brand has to communicate a message, your vision. One thing is how do you present yourself to the world. Other times it's like your employees. So like if you walk around our office, there are a lot of graphics public won't see, but the employees do. And it's like create that storytelling about communicating your vision, your mission to the world, and also internally to the staff. Being part of that process, I love it, and being able to help companies and clients to have that voice to the world, to me, it's huge. Sometimes I believe that people think that design is easy because I know how to use Illustrator or Photoshop, and yeah, I'm a designer. Not quite. It goes beyond what is on the screen. One thing is when you're doing just a poster, there's no consequences there, right? But when you're doing things that are gonna be in the built environment for longer, then you have to make sure that it's compliant. Otherwise, you could be liable, and it changes per city. So you have to check every single time the signage ordinance. There are also some of a building code that is for life safety. In an event of an emergency fire, you rely on signage pretty much to get to the stairways, having like an audio guide telling you what to do. That's why it's important, that communication, how the building talks to the user, especially in the case of an emergency. When we are starting a project from design all the way to install, you have to think of the process in its entirety. How much it costs, what the materials are, how it's gonna be built, fabricated, mounted. When you are in the same team, you can control a lot more of it. Instead of going through the whole process and all the bidding and all that stuff, then you get to the install, oh, it doesn't fit. So you have to go back and redesign something or refabricate something because it's not possible to reinstall. We can see much more of any possible issues that might happen in the whole design process. A community, an elderly community, that they have been open, I don't know, 60, 70 years. It's a really long time. They have a really nice campus, beautiful buildings, and really well kept. But there's issue, like people cannot find their destinations. Whoever came out, they put some signs, and then somebody else came and put some different signs. So the information is not cohesive. And we came up with a wayfinding master plan for them, thinking it as a whole, like how would people experience the place, how would they find the place, how would they, decision points, oh, I got to this now, if I'm gonna find this destination, oh, you need a sign, but what type of sign? And that project, it's like when the clients saw the wayfinding master plan, they were like, why didn't we think of that first? Well, that's what we're here for, right? To analyze the problem and suggest the solution, not just adding more signs. So that's wayfinding. It's how do you find your way. It's a great process. That's what I love about this industry of signage. It's like it's not about just placing a sign. It's like helping people find their way. Something that it's I think is big for us is that we have a design team that we are committed to having just not any design that it looks good. It has to work. To help somebody communicate their mission and vision to the world, that's all that we want. And I'm really proud that I have been given the opportunity to lead this effort of just not doing a sign. It's like it has to work. And that's something that I'm really happy that I'm able to accomplish here. And yeah, well, we keep moving forward and doing things like that.